All right, this is a review of Everything Search. You can look for Google and find it on Google's awesome little program. In Windows 7, they had such a great search utility. If you were looking for files and folders on your computer, it was so easy to go into the Explorer and then type in whatever you wanted to. So, for instance, now here's the Windows 10. In Windows 7, it was amazingly awesome and easy. And you would just type in whatever you wanted, and it would go find it very quickly, and it would find any file anywhere on your computer. Is amazing. Now the Windows 10, I would have to say, is the worst search. I don't know how they got it wrong or how they did it. Maybe they put somebody's brother-in-law's kinfolk in charge of this, and they just did a terrible job. So let's do an example here. See this 81075 file? This is just on my desktop. So Windows Search should seem like it'd be easily be able to find it. So let's go to the C drive and just paste it in there. And it says working on it. Let's see how long Windows Search takes. And here you go. Wait and wait. And I know they have the indexing you can turn on, but even with that turned on, it's still slow. And then with the indexing turned on, if I'm doing any kind of game development, saving files, baking files, doing certain things, the indexer will start running on every file that I'm working on and slow the computer down, and it can, eventually crash the program. So I think the whole indexing thing was continuously indexing all the time and running. If you're ever looking at a task, it's amazing. I don't know how you would mess this up. Look at this. One simple file on the desktop. Look how long it's taken. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I mean, if Windows wasn't so entrenched in the market, I don't know how they would survive with Google and other people coming up into the play. But anyway, here's the Everything Search. You have an option to download it as a portable, meaning you just unzip it into a folder and you don't have to actually install it. Or they have one that you can install. They have 64-bit. They have it for different operating systems also. But you just click on the icon and it'll come up here, and now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to paste that in and see if it, and there it is, instantaneously finds the file, and there it is. See, Windows Desktop. I mean, why couldn't Microsoft have done this in the first place with Windows Search? I don't know. And I don't want this to turn into a rant. This is actually a review for the Everything Finder, which is an amazing application. Microsoft needs to quit hiring their kinfolks, brothers, sisters, or whatever, and get over here and hire these people doing this everything, because they're the smart people making these searches. All right, that's my review. Awesome program. If you like the program, they do have a donation. It's free, but if you want to donate some money to them, and they deserve it. Great program. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you got comments about the Windows Search, and leave them below, because I'd love to hear your comments about Windows Search. Hopefully you'll rant about them